What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chief Rocker, and I'm back again with another video. Today I got a very special guest. It's a little bit different. It's not just me anymore. It's my beautiful wife, Charlotte. Today I'm going to tell you guys how I came to own a very expensive shoe, mistakenly on purpose. Baby, would you hand me this box?
You can tell your story and I'll tell the real story.
Alright.
How about that?
Okay. So, this box right here was sent by my mom's, by the OG. Every now and then, maybe like once a month, she sends me and my wife all the stuff that we either need from the States or stuff that we purchase and have shipped to her house. So this month's box came in and it's got the shoes in it that I'm not supposed to have. So let's open it up and see everything that she sent out to me. Got the little infidel knife on me. Nice little spring action blade. Don't even know if that's legal in Japan. Watch your face. Don't worry, I'm surgical with this. So let me open the other side because that side's got the shoes. So let's see. Why the hell? What kind of box? Mom, what kind of box is this? What are you doing? It only opens from the sides.
No, you're gonna get whatever book she sends out.
So far, we got some packing. Throw that away. We got a Zales receipt. Don't need that right now. But let's get into the first thing she sent. A little something that I picked up. Nice little earrings right there. So we got a couple little diamonds or something, nothing crazy. Let me go ahead and throw those on real quick. So I recently purchased some earrings from Zales, had them shipped to my mom, and these are the earrings. Nice little something going on. You can't hide money. You can't hide money. Let's get into the main point of this video. The thing that got me in trouble. Because my curiosity, I'm just gonna call it my curiosity, bit me in the behind. But this box right here. You see that? Don't look at your face. So this box right here, an Air Jordan box. I have many of these, but now I have another one. A little backstory on this box right here. As the coronavirus and COVID and quarantine and all that stuff went down, me and her made a plan that we were pretty much going to just relax. We were gonna get our lives together. We started a business. She has her own business. I said I was gonna start my YouTube channel. I said that we were gonna work out every day and we weren't gonna spend a lot of money. Now we stayed on that path for the most part. Some things we had to do because we just moved to Japan, so we had to buy furniture and stuff like that. But we were supposed to be saving money. That all came to an end when my curiosity got the best of me. So I saw a pair of shoes out there, and if you know what box this is, then you know what's going on. You know what this is about. It was around the time of the Jordan, The Last Dance documentary, right? Mm-hmm. Around the time of the Last Dance documentary that these shoes released. I thought they were extremely dope. And so I go on to Stockx, I open the app like any sane man would, any sneakerhead, sane man. I just open the app and I go through and I'm looking at all the shoes that I want. Now it's this pair of shoes, and then there's a really expensive pair of shoes that I was actually looking at right before this mistake happened. Let me tell y'all about the shoes before this, and then y'all understand why I was actually happy that it happened for this and not the shoes before. So before I was looking at this pair of shoes, I went to the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and I'm just pricing them out. I'm looking at all my options. What is it called? Affirm or Klarna? Whatever Affirm on StockX. So I'm looking through StockX, seeing Affirm, I'm like, I could pay these off in 6 months. Those shoes are $1,300 at the time. $1,300.
They're more now, aren't they?
I think I think they're about 13, in my size, they're about around $13.90. But after tax and all that stuff, and after all the fines that Stockx gonna hit you with, you're gonna be paying at least about $1,500, $1,600, maybe. I'm looking through Klarna, I'm like, dang, if I pay it off in 6 months, then I can pay this, this, and this. And then I'm like, not gonna do it. I'm not spending $1,300 on shoes. Thank God I didn't. The next shoe I do, I go through, I look at this shoe that is inside this box right here because I thought it was a very dope shoe, and apparently it's very limited because it only released at a certain store in Miami. So I go in, I Klarna it or Affirm or whatever it's called, and I'm just like, oh, I could pay for it in this amount of time, blah, 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 blah. So I pick Affirm as the payment option. And I say, all right, let's advance. Or so I thought I picked it as the payment option, but apparently I chose PayPal instead. So I picked confirm, and it said the goods are yours. And $450 later, I was like, what the hell just happened? Now, I'm trying to keep this from her because we supposed to be saving money right now. I'm not even supposed to be doing stuff like this. So I'm trying to keep it from her. And after a while, I broke down and was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and let her know what happened. So I come to her, baby, something happened. And she like, what? What's going on? What's going on? I'm like, something happened. It's not my fault. I bought some shoes. They was $450. And she just looked at me like, what the hell are you doing? What was your thoughts at that point?
Because you were like, it was an accident. I didn't mean to. And I'm just like, okay.
I done made plenty of accidents in my life.
No.
Come on now.
No. I don't believe it.
It was an accident.
I don't believe it.
Right hand. It was an accident.
Okay.
Scout's honor.
Whatever you say.
But either way, this is the shoe that ended up at my house. This took like a month and a half to get to me, but that's enough backstory on the shoe. Let me show you guys what the shoe is, and you can get our first impressions on how the shoe looks and the colorway and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. Open up my mistakes. Stockx page. Boom. It better not have none of my information on there. It don't.
I like that.
Yeah, that's Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Put that down. We ain't got money for that.
Let's do accidental Louis Vuitton purchase, shall we?
No accident. Woo!
Okay, they are really nice.
They are really
The
nice.
color is really, really nice.
Oh. And the laces.
I don't know if I like the shape though.
No, don't get me wrong. I'll put the box over here. Jordan 10. So first off, let me show you guys. This right here is the Jordan 10 Solefly. Apparently a very limited shoe, only released at one location in Miami for the 10th anniversary of the Solefly boutique. What do you feel about the colorway?
I like the color. You know I like this color.
Yeah.
And I think these laces are gonna look good.
Yeah, they will.
But I wouldn't pick these to buy.
Yeah. The only reason I really got them is one, because it's something that's different. I don't even like Jordan 10s like that, but it's something that's so different. And the colorway, like, it's like mushroom brown. What does the box say? The box says Sail Turbo Green Mushroom. It says Sail Mushroom, Sail Mushroom and Turbo Green. And these are my happy mistake that I made. I didn't mean to purchase these. I honestly went in there with all intentions of being frugal and using Affirm on Stockx and paying this off in 6 months. 6 easy payments of like $100, maybe like $75. Under $100. 6 easy payments. We wouldn't even have seen that come out. We wouldn't have missed it. And I would have got the shoes. I would have slid them into the collection. She wouldn't have known nothing about them. But
I would have known.
You wouldn't have known. I would have just went in.
Come on now. I would have known.
These would have just slid into the closet.
You would have forgotten and been like, baby, you need to go pick up a package.
I would never do that because I'm too smooth for that. But these shoes ended up hitting me over the head for 450. Now, when you see that when I seen the 450 came out, now you understand why the Travis Scotts were such a problem. Because if that 1300, hear me, if 1300 or 1400 would have hit my account in the jaw, I would have had a stroke. I would have passed out. Somebody at Stockx was gonna get an email, I would have AOL'd them, I would have did whatever I could. Give me my money back because it was a mistake and I didn't mean to make it. But for the 400, granted 400 ain't a small sum of money, especially not to me because I ain't got it. But for 450, what? Don't, hey, you know, I'm trying to be, you know what I'm saying, humble about my paper, but don't do that. Don't do that. So 450 is a decent amount of money, but it ain't something that's gonna kill me if I missed it. So these are the Jordan 10 Soleflies.
I can't wait for you to see my mistaken payment in the next couple days.
See what we not gonna have.
And it's gonna be a whole puppy.
It was money well spent.
If it was a different color, would you pick it?
If it was a different color, I would not pick these shoes because.
What is Solefly?
It's a boot. I just explained all that. You gotta pay attention. It's a boutique in Miami. That's why this turbo green right here is a Miami color. My wife here is from ye old England. She's from.
Hear ye, hear ye.
Hear ye, hear ye. This blue right here is a color that I guess is like a Miami color. Team? Yeah, the Miami
Dolphins.
Heat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who's the Dolphins?
It is the Dolphins. You're right.
Okay.
And that makes more sense. Maybe I am not from America because the Miami Dolphins. This is their color. It is a green.
Yeah.
Let me do a breakdown of this sneaker. So show off the sole, baby.
Oh.
Or let me get this one. You get this one so it'll be symmetrical. Well, the Jordan 10 sole has all of Michael Jordan's accomplishments on the bottom of it. You have a translucent cream sole accented by a turbo green Jumpman on the heel. The sole of the Jordan 10 reads 85, Rookie of the Year. 86, 63 points. 87, scoring title. 88, dunk champion. 89, all defense. 90, scores 69 points. 91, MVP and a championship. 92, MVP and a championship. 93, MVP and a championship. It's a three-peat. And then 94 just says Beyond. It is also accented, this outsole is also accented by a newspaper article.
It looks like the Miami Times or something. That says my...
But it has a newspaper article that is accented that you can see through the clear outsole. Then turn the shoe to the side, baby. You come up to the midsole of the sneaker, which is a white, and it's not sail white, it's pure white leather all around. And then we come to the main point of the shoe, the main body of the shoe, which has that, it's like a tannish sail colorway, and it's suede. It's a nice soft suede.
They call this sail?
Yeah, a sail is like an off-white. So the shorts that I was wearing earlier were sail.
I'll call them cream.
Cream sail.
I would call this beige, actually.
It's all the same color.
Sand.
But you know how, you know.
This is like a Dulux color chart.
Yeah, exactly. Like all the colors are pretty much the same color. Like you go to like a paint store or something, and it's all the same color, but they off by one tint and they call it something else. That's pretty much what sail, cream, tan.
What a joke to have.
Yeah. All over suede, and then you come to the outline of the laces and the eyelids, which is a mushroom color. We show the back of the shoe, baby girl. The back of the shoe, hers has a turbo green Jumpman on it. Mine has a turbo green Solefly logo on there. So inside the tongue reads, inspired by our amazing run these 10 years. And it says 10, it has a Jordan logo, and then it says 20. And then on the front of the tongue, it just says Solefly 10. These, put the shoe up, baby. These are the Solefly 10s that I purposefully mistakenly spent $450 on. I'm happy with the sneaker. I want to wear the sneaker. I just gotta find that right outfit that's gonna slap with this.
They look comfortable. They have a little padding.
But
fancy.
did I speak about the extra shoelaces that come with it? I know you guys can see that, but it comes with another brown set, which is damn near the same color as this brown or this mushroom, whatever. Then it comes with a turbo green color, and it comes with a white color.
I think this is one of the first shoes I've seen that looks better in a picture.
Really?
Yeah. Because I really liked them when you were looking at reviews and stuff. But in person, I'm not really into it.
Really?
They really do look better in pictures. Or from far away.
So let the camera see. That's your thoughts. I think they look better in person. I think that they were worth the money.
Well, yeah, you would say that.
But like I said, these are the Solefly 10s. Thank you guys so much for viewing my YouTube channel.